4 workers perish in KwaZulu-Natal factory fire. 4 people were killed in a factory fire on Eagle Road in Missionlands, KwaZulu-Natal. Skeletal remains were discovered by family and friends of the deceased workers on Saturday, March 2. According to Private Security Reaction Unit South Africa, RUSA, received a call for assistance after the family and friends of the deceased workers formed a search party after they failed to return home after their shift. RUSA spokesperson Prem Balram said reaction officers and paramedics were immediately dispatched. On arrival, officers confirmed the discovery was human remains. The Ncwane Fire and Rescue Services arrived shortly after locating 2 more bodies. According to relatives of the deceased, 9 Malawian nationals were working the night shift at the furniture manufacturing business when the fire broke out at approximately 23:30 on Friday. All exits and entrances were allegedly locked by the employer at the start of their shift, preventing the men from escaping the inferno. The survivors provided this information and could not be confirmed by reaction officers, Balram explained. 5 employees reportedly jumped out of windows from the upper level of the building. They escaped with minor injuries. South African Police Service, SAPS, spokesperson in KwaZulu-Natal Gwala said the 4 bodies have not been found. Gwala said an inquiry had been opened at Verulam SAPS, and investigations are ongoing. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.